Delivering innovation for over 34 years and backed by employees worldwide, Nordson Simtek's team of experts are ready to support your next adventure.
Welcome to the Rehm booth here at Productronica. I'm joined by Michael Henke, who's the Chief Customer Officer. Welcome, Michael. Nice to see you again.
Welcome.
Okay. So, we're standing in front of one of your larger reflow machines with vacuum fitted and also the VICON system, which we'll talk about later. What upgrades or changes have you made to this recently?
Nowadays in the reflow SMT production, they're looking for also minor, smaller components, and these smaller components must be safe produced. For this additional process, we integrated also the vacuum process, a very stable and reliable process, which also reduces dramatically the voids and do the safe process.
Right. Okay. So, what are you typically getting below 5% voids?
Oh, we go down to less than 2% voids. It depends on the product and depends on the customer. Yeah, so we can adjust it and have a stable process with these figured conditions. They are always the same.
Okay. Now, Michael, I noticed this machine is fitted with your new VICON software interface, which is it's very sophisticated, and it also communicates with virtually any of the software control packages that are out there at the moment. Can you tell us a bit more about it?
Nowadays, very important is the transparency of the data, transparency of the digital information. For that, we have our newest software, the VICON software. The VICON is a software. This is the base for Industrial 4.0 to share also the information to our upper host system. Host system is also able also to transfer data, for example, to a smartphone, to an app, where we can also get this information, and for the future we transfer it also to Holo Lens. Holo Lens that we show up also here at the show, where also the machine instruct the operator what to do.
Yes, I mean, I had a look at your Holo Lens glasses, and they are phenomenal, quite frankly. It's not a virtual reality system. It's a combined reality.
It's a mixed reality.
Mixed reality.
Mixed reality is the right word. Why? Because it's really the reality. You are real in front of this machine, and you have also the information on like a head-up display, where you will be informed about actual temperatures, actual process specification, actual data that you get very quick and easily, and also the system guided you in case of service or warranty, how to remove filters, components, how to do it.
It literally takes you step by step through the process of changing filters and doing the maintenance.
Yes, this is also a safety instrument, guided the guys to do it on the right way at the same time. If not, then you get also a signal that this was wrong.
It's going to save a lot of time and money in training as well.
Yeah, also in education. If you have nowadays also people that are not well trained, this is the reality. Second is also that we have not so many guys available to do this work. Yeah. So you must train it quick and in a efficient way. And this is an easy way to do it everywhere in the world.
Right.
Yeah, independent from the language, because you have symbols there, very easy to understand. And this is the target also, to reduce time, save money, and train them the best way.
Yeah, absolutely. So the other really cool thing that you've got on the booth this week is it's like a 3D printing process that's creating screened off areas, like cans almost, for where you can then dam and fill, or even use for protecting and hiding the devices and components underneath. Can you explain a little bit about that, how it works?
The base is our coding machine, where we have also the possibility to create a 3D form. 3D form means like dam and fill, that you have also around a surface, and you fill up this surface with a different material later on, that you can also protect your product, that you could secure also the copy of the product. So this is also for different markets very, very important. And last but not least, also you are very flexible, because nowadays you need a plastic component, you put it as a cover on it, and with our system, with our process, you can do it individually, by your own and very flexible. And you must not create before a form or a form for the plastic. This is also cost-wise very cheap.
Yeah, so very flexible. It's a superb system. I mean, for protecting IP, for military use, where you don't want to see the electronics, it really is a fantastic idea.
Yeah, there's also idea in case of the electronic drive, individual drive. So that means also that no men or women sit in front of the car and drive the car. So I think the electronics should be safe, and this is also one thing to protect also the controllers and all the stuff. And this helps also the industry to do it with the protector system, the coating.
Do you have a name for the process?
3D coating is our name for that. Yeah, we are not like a 3D printer because we have more knowledge also like a dam and fill to use special material, and this is very flexible like the rapid prototyping, so we can do it also in production, not only prototyping. So this is a real production tool.
Great. Well, Michael, it's always a pleasure. There's always such great innovation on the Rehm booth. I love that Holo Lens. It's one of the most the coolest things I've seen at the show, quite frankly. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much, and always cool.